Hi everyone, so it's been a few months since my last video, and since then I've got a new car from my BMW 1 Series. So what I'll be doing in this video is doing a bit of a mini review of this new car, and in the near future I'll probably zoom in on particular aspects and do separate videos for each of those things. So what is the new car? Well, if the title didn't give it away already, it's a Mercedes Cla45 Amg. It's the 2016 edition with 380 horsepower, but it's not the facelift edition, which is, I suppose it's like the 2017 model that's been out for a couple of months. It's not that one. I've already done a couple of things to it. The spoiler has gone from white to gloss black along with the badges. Recently I've had the entire grille resprayed gloss black as well, including the 3-point Mercedes star. I think it looks nice, creates more of a stealth look I suppose, but it's not for everyone. I've had the car for 3 months now, and as you can imagine it's a world of difference from the diesel 1 Series that I used to have. What do I love about this car? Quite a few things, but you know, I'll go through the main points. The power, first of all. There's 380 horsepower versus 170 from my old one, and the fact that this car is actually 4-wheel drive means that you can actually use all the power on the road without wrapping your car around a lamppost. The amazing thing with this car is that all that power comes from a tiny 4-cylinder 2-litre engine. You know, a lot of people ask me when I tell them how much power this car produces, oh, it must be a 3-litre V6 kind of thing, but no, it's not. It's incredible really. But basically how AMG have managed to get all that power from this tiny engine is through having an absolutely mental turbo. In terms of handling, in my opinion, I think it's great. There are reviews out there, online, magazines, etc., that say this car understeers at the limit, but that's the key word there, at the limit, which you know you're only ever going to do on a racetrack. You're not going to get near the limit on public roads. The 4-wheel drive system in this car is really good. Since I've had the car, the traction control lights come on once, and that was like last week. The car's always planted to the road, and you know, you can absolutely floor it, and you know, you'll still be going in a straight line rather than sideways. The ride's quite stiff, but it's not as bad as you'd think it would be. I mean, this car has 19-inch wheels, you know, they're quite low profile, but I've got no real complaints. You'll only notice it on really bumpy country roads. I've had a couple of long journeys in this and it's been fine. The AMG Performance seats are really good in this. The side bolsters hook you in really well. It just stops you from rolling around really. Mechanically, there's not much I actually dislike about this car. You know, the power's great, handling's great. My only complaint would be the transmission in this car. It is a bit crap, you know. Compared to its German rivals Mercedes, BMW, VW, I think it's the worst one. In comfort mode, it's okay, you know, getting you around town, traffic jams, that kind of thing. The only annoying thing is, say you pull up at a busy junction, you know, you've got the stop-start that kicks in. There's a bit of a delay from the engine starting up again and you actually rolling. It's like for a second, but you know, a second is enough to have someone smash straight into the side of you. It's got 4 driving modes, individual, comfort, sport and sport plus. I only use 2 of them, that's comfort and individual, which I've set up so that it's basically sport plus, so you know, sport handling, sport engine, etc. But the traction control on and the car set to manual. I just like using the paddles. When in individual mode, when the car's in manual, you do have to pull the paddles a bit early when you're basically shifting at the red line, otherwise you will hit the limiter. There's a slight delay, and don't really get that with, say, Audi's dual clutch and the VW one as well. This video wouldn't be complete without going through a tunnel and being a hooligan.